Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Paul here. Today I'm working on a 2002 Mercedes E320. I'm putting sway bar links in there. The brand I chose to go with are Mevotech Supreme chassis parts. Let me see if I can get the part number for you. K80267, and then it's got MK80267. So that's K80267 and MK80267. I got them from Rock Auto. I'm very fond of Rock Auto. I've had good luck with them. Very rarely do they screw up with parts. It has happened, but I've ordered a load of stuff from them. Save yourself a lot of money. So, a little bit of a pain in the ass to do. Nothing major though. You're gonna have to jack your car up. I suggest jacking it from the center differential. Then make sure you put the jack stands right behind. You see these square holes? That's for the factory jack. Under here there's pucks for you to put your jack stands on. So make sure you put your jack stands in the right positions on this car. They go on those plastic pucks that are underneath the chassis there. So let me tell you the size sockets you're gonna need. It really helped me to have these Astro Pneumatic low profile sockets. I want to show you these. I don't make any money from recommending these parts at all unless you buy them. Then I will get something from Amazon, small percentage at no added cost to you. Amazon affiliate. These are very low profile. If I did not have these, I would not have been able to get in there. So you're going to need, I believe it's a 16 mil on the top. Let me check that nut just to be sure. I don't want to give you the wrong sizes. To hold the back of the nut, you're going to need a 19 millimeter wrench. So you're going to need either a wrench or a low profile socket to get in there. On the bottom of the control arm, there is a aerodynamic cover that's held on with two 10 millimeter bolts. You just remove them and then the cover pops off. Then you can get access to the two fasteners. Well, one fastener. It's a nut, a long bolt. I mean, a 13 millimeter bolt with a 13 millimeter nut on the bottom here. They go right through. Let me see if I can get this gimbal to right there. You'll see the holes. Oh, sorry guys, my gimbal's going bonkers on me. Just flipped out and did a flip. There we go. You can see the hole where I removed it. Then the two 10 millimeter bolts go up on the upper part of the control arm here, like towards the upper inner third. On both sides is two little 10 millimeter bolts, and then you just pry off that aerodynamic cover. Then you can get access to those two 13 millimeter fittings there. You're gonna need a 19 millimeter wrench to hold the back of the sway bar link right here. It's 19 mil. And let me look for that nut so I can tell you what size that was for sure. I don't want to give you the wrong size. I thought it was 17. It might be 16. Where the hell is my socket now? Yeah, it's a 16 millimeter nut. So you're gonna need a 16 millimeter either shallow socket or 16 millimeter wrench with a 19 millimeter wrench or socket to hold it. All right? Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. A little bit of a nuisance. I'm old and fat and it hurts me to get up and down and all these crazy positions, but so that's it guys. Short video. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Take good care of your cars. They'll take good care of you, and take good care of your families and the ones you love, and take good care of yourselves. See you soon. Thanks for tuning in, and please give a like and subscribe. It shows YouTube somebody's watching, and the algorithm will bury the small channels if you guys don't show them that somebody's watching. I appreciate it. Take care. Bye-bye.